ಸಂಜನಾ ಹಾಗೂ ರಾಗಿಣಿ ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಜೈಲೇ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ಸಂಜನಾ ರಾಗಿಣಿ ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಕಾರಣ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಮೀನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಆಸೆ ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಜಾಮೀನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಶೆ ರಾಣಿಯರಿಗೆ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಜಾಮೀನನ್ನ ನಿರಾಕರಿಸಿದೆ. ರಾಗಿಣಿ ಜಾಮೀನು ಅರ್ಜಿ ವಜಾಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂತೆ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹೆತ್ತವರು ಆಘಾತಕ್ಕೊಳಗಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೇಸರದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ರಾಗಿಣಿ ದ್ವಿವೇದಿ ತಾಯಿ ರೋಹಿಣಿ ದ್ವಿವೇದಿ. ನಟಿ ರಾಗಿಣಿ ದ್ವಿವೇದಿ ತಾಯಿ ಬೇಸರದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅನ್ಯಾಯವಾಗಿ ಅಮಾಯಕ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳನ್ನ ಬಲಿಪಶು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಅವರ ತಾಯಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ರಾಗಿಣಿ ಹೆಸರು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇಲಾಖೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೈಪ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವರ ತಾಯಿ ಈಗ ನೇರ ಸಂಪರ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೇಡಮ್, ಈಗ ರಾಗಿಣಿಗೆ ಬೇಲ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
We are very sad about it.
Yes.
We are really very sad about it because we were hopeful that judgment will come in our favor. And really don't know what is in judge's mind, why they have rejected the mail, her bail. We really don't know anything about it.
Okay, it's highly disappointment ma'am idu. So ರಾಗಿಣಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋದು. There is only one option, that is Supreme Court. So what do you say ma'am?
See, whatever we have to do to save our daughter and bring her out from all these wrong allegations on her, we will do our best, which we have been doing till now. But I'm really angry with the system, especially with police, CCB, and the people who are feeding judges the wrong information about our girl. I'm really very angry on people because what they have done is not right, and they have really framed her wrong. She has not done anything wrong. As parents, as her father is from army, we have lived a very disciplined life, and we have never taught our children to do anything wrong. And for the information of people, I have been going around with her for all the shoots, wherever she goes. Though I'm not a person who socialize and party, but my husband goes, accompanies her. Where does the question of she consuming any drugs, or when the CCB people have come to our house, they have not found anything. Then how can they just, because she is not saying anything, we are not saying anything, it does not mean that we are guilty. Our daughter has not done anything wrong.
Okay.
And such big names have come. Police has no guts to go and catch them. Whether they are politicians, whether they are big stars, or whether they are children of big stars or children of big politicians. They don't have guts to go and catch them. And today they are catching my daughter in a case which was 2 years back. They had caught some people with drug peddling and all that. What is this police and CCB was doing all these 2 years? Today they are catching those people. This case has been going around for 2 years. They have not caught anybody. Because my girl, who has worked so hard in this industry, in Canada, she has done so much of social work. She has been involved in all, whether it was political, police, or CCB activities, or any social work. She has been called as a guest of honor to all the colleges, schools. Do you think she will go and do all these things? She has some principles. And we are the first people. If she is proved wrong, we are the one people who will punish her from our house first. Then only these people can do any punishment. If they are not, you just imagine when the investigation is going on, these people are saying from their own department, a senior officer has informed people who have run away. We have not run away anywhere. My daughter, she was here, she was severely down with her backache and she was taking heat treatment. That's why she could not go to the CCB next day. But on 4th morning, she was ready to go when these CCB people came here to do the raid. And after doing their work, what was their business to stay back in my house till my daughter left for CCB inquiry? My husband and my daughter, both of them were going on 4th morning. And these people came with a search warrant. They searched my house. They did not find anything. Then we told them, you please go. When my daughter was changing, these people were almost literally peeping inside my house, inside her room. They didn't let her change also in peace.
Okay.
And today all these people are putting allegations on her. Did they find anything in her house? No.
Yeah.
And people from somebody gave one statement in the CCB that yes, she went with the party with me, she has consumed drug. What proof they have? She has not done anything wrong. She is innocent. And to tell you very clearly one thing, that she is a celebrity. If
Okay.
her name did not come in somebody's phone number, in somebody's phone list or whatever, they say that they have found my daughter's number, they got a chance to make this case as a big buck case,
Okay.
so that everybody is watching TV, everybody is, CCB is getting hype on this case that oh, they are doing something very great. No, only because Ragini Dwivedi's name was there, these people made sure and made an opportunity to make this case as a big case.
Okay.
She is been framed. We know all how she has been arrested, on what ground she has been arrested, how they have planned everything. And my daughter, we have not seen her face from the day she has gone to judicial custody. We have not seen her face. They have not allowed us to meet.
Okay.
I really don't know what to say. We are simple people and we earn enough that our daughter can have a good life. She doesn't need anybody else to spend money on her. She also eat dal rice, dal sambar like you people eat. She is not wearing diamonds. She is not moving in BMW cars. Everything we have made slowly in last 10 years, and her father's earning from last 30 years. We have just won this house, and people are saying this house is given by somebody or made by drug money. No, it is all, I know whatever I'm saying is, you people must be thinking it's, you know, I'm emotional, yes, because my daughter, everybody is, you know, they have framed her because she's a celebrity. Otherwise,
Yes,
why can't this police catch those people? How can they keep my daughter in the jail till they complete their case? If they cannot catch culprit for next 6 months, do you think that my daughter deserves to be in the jail? No. And I appeal to people, I really request to her fans and friends and all the producers, directors, actors, and each person from a smallest Kannada family, please support my daughter. We have nobody to support. Nobody will come forward to support us. We don't know anybody. We are very simple people who work hard to make our earnings. My daughter has not done anything wrong. Sooner or later, you people will come out, you'll find out, you'll find out that she is not a culprit. She has been framed. I don't know the person who is doing this. God bless.
Okay.
I'm really sorry But I'm really, really very disappointed with CCB. Their own officers are involved in bloody making people run, hide, and now they are creating a scene that, you know, those two peddlers, those two people, we still have to find out. Why don't you find out? Please don't ruin my daughter's life. Don't ruin our life.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಶಿ ಹಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ?
Because she is a celebrity, yeah. That's why. You tell me, if it was just the people whom they have, who knows Ravi Shankar? You know, Ravi Shankar is a person who was a common friend, and his wife left him with a small girl, and that girl used to come to my house and call me Ajji Ajji and stay in my house and eat in my house. That's how we got close to that man. We don't know anything about him. You know, that girl, framing means, yes, why they are doing it? Because if it was any ordinary case, do you think anybody would have even seen newspaper or channel twice for this news?
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
Why 2 years they have taken a case to find somebody
ಓಕೆ
who can just give a statement, and on his statement they can arrest my girl without getting any proofs and any whatever you can say ki they did not find anything, they did not get anything that first particular day. How can they arrest her? And I still have full faith in judiciary. We will
Okay.
fight it out.
ಎಸ್
I know judges cannot be influenced, they will see the reality.
ಓಕೆ ರೋಹಿಣಿ ದ್ವಿವೇದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಐಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಯು ಇನ್ 2 minutes ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್. ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೊತ್ತು ರಾಗಿಣಿಯವರ ತಾಯಿಯವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಈಗ ಅವರ ತಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರಾಕೇಶ್ ಅವರು. ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ರಾಗಿಣಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇಲ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಮುಂದೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಈಗ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇರೋದಾ, ಹೇಗೆ? ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಧ್ವನಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೀ ಸರ್?
Yeah, I can hear you, but
Yes. Now bail has rejected from High Court. So what's your next step, sir?
yeah, we'll fight it out. Like my wife has said already, we have full faith in the judiciary, and more than that, we have full faith in our daughter. We will fight it out. Next step is, as told by my advocate, it is going to the Supreme Court. We'll appeal there.
Okay. So it's been 50 days.
Yeah.
So I can understand, sir.
No,
as
it
a-
is 60 days today,
yeah,
not
60
50.
days. Yeah, you're counting every dates. It's really tough to digest or accept
Yeah.
everything, each and
Nobody,
everything.
nobody can understand. Neither you can understand, neither, and nobody can understand the turmoil that we are going through. It is, nobody can understand but the parents. And that too, when your child is totally innocent, she has been framed from day one. It is very, very frustrating, I must say. The system is so unemotional, I would call it. There's just no justification at all. And it is like banging your head into the wall. You don't know what to do. It leaves you so helpless. It is very, very frustrating.
Okay. What's the reason behind this, sir? All these developments and all these cases, everything. What's the reason behind that? What do you feel, sir?
I will not like to say what reasons are there, but you people know it better, and you are the ones who have been propagating it so far. I don't know who's interested in this case or what is the conspiracy going on, but definitely there is somebody who's behind all this. Somebody who's just want to make use of that limelight that they're getting because of her name in this case. It is absolutely clear from there.
Yeah, yeah.
There is nothing, no evidence against her. From day one, it is clear that there is some conspiracy which is going on behind that. The day one, whole day I was there with her in the CCB when this interrogation was going on.
Okay.
And the way they have conducted this investigation, the way they have framed everything, the way they have backtracked everything, it is clearly shows that somebody is interested that this case is kept alive. They have made the arrest at 9:30 at night,
Okay.
and they made me sign that arrest has been made at 5:30. If this is the game the police is playing, you can imagine what kind of conspiracy is going on there.
Okay.
From day one they have not been clear, they have been like backstabbing from the day one. Everything they have manipulated, from the search to trying to show that she has been arrested wherever voluntarily we were going there. They have tried to show that they have arrested her from the house, which is not true absolutely. And there the entire day till night they kept her sitting there. She was cooperating from every first bit, she was cooperating.
Okay.
Everything that they asked was given to them, from the passwords to code words to whatever patterns are there on the mobile, and they kept claiming that she is not cooperating. It is absolutely clear that there is a big huge conspiracy which is going on.
Okay.
Somebody is just trying to catch on the limelight that this case is getting, and just for I don't know what kind of advantage you people are getting out of it.
Okay. You're telling she is a nice girl. So, who is there behind all these developments and conspiracy? You're telling again and again it's a conspiracy. So, what do you feel? Who is there?
You don't know.
Yeah.
The people of Karnataka don't know how nice she is. Last 6 months in COVID time, when everybody was sleeping in their houses, or they were making themselves safe by not moving out of the houses, she is the one who's moving around day and night. And now you are trying to tell me that she was being nice because she was trying to cover up all these things. This is the kind of allegations you people put on her. I am absolutely devastated by the kind of reaction, especially the media, some of the media houses have given her. You should have been there highlighting her good deeds there.
Rakesh sir, not
And
only CCB,
I don't know.
IT and
These
ED
emotions
also
don't matter
entered to
probably
this
to
case.
anybody else, but I know, from the heart, core of my heart, I know that how good that girl is, how sincere that girl is, how worried, how caring she is towards people, and you are trying to portray that she is dealing in drugs. A girl
Rakesh
who
sir,
I have never seen
media
smoking in
regarding
front of
media,
me.
I
You
want
are
to
trying to
clear
tell
one
me
thing.
that she is dealing in drugs.
Rakesh sir, I want to clear one thing regarding media. What you told, it's already not only CCB is investigating, interrogating, IT and ED also entered to this case. So all the proofs they have shown and what they are talking regarding this drugs case and all. So we are giving only the news.
Every agency, whatever they asked for, talking about cooperation, whatever documents they asked from us, whatever details of income proof, everything, all documents have been made available to them. Even if they have found something, tell them, let them say it on the, give the proof for that, no?
No, what do you think? Why bail has rejected?
No, I don't want to say anything on this matter since it is sub judice, but I am sure somebody is feeding all this wrong information to her. What some evidence they must have cooked up or whatever. This is all on speculation.
Okay.
She is a celebrity. Her name, her number will be on 120 phones in this country. Yeah. So any criminal you will catch and find her name in the contact list, you will blame her for that kind of thing.
Okay. ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ
Just
meet
because
ಆಗಿದ್ರಿ
she is
sir?
close to a person, whole her life we spend with a person, we don't know what that guy is doing. Now just because her name has come into some contact list, you are trying to frame her because of that. Yeah.
ರಾಕೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿ?
The
60
very
days.
basis of the investigation, the way it has started itself is laughable.
ಓಕೆ. ರಾಕೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 60 days ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಮೀಟ್ ಆದ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ರಾಗಿಣಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ?
No, I am not even able to meet her. and everybody's got an excuse of this COVID situation now, where you are already permitting the COVID patients themselves to be met by their relatives, but here a person who is healthy, where you are taking all precautions, you are not letting me meet my daughter for last 60 days, which is ridiculous here. I don't know what kind of rules, regulations are there.
Okay.
One, you put this, you taking advantage of a situation and you are applying it to your advantage wherever you want to do that. It's really surprising.
Okay. ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
We have applied we have applied everywhere. We have asked for permission. We have spoken to whomsoever we could, but there is no way out. That is what I initially said. It is frustrating. You have to show me a way what to do. There are 100 people, 100 criminals, 100 with everything, they get caught, but they are out. Here you are not letting me meet my daughter. I am really surprised.
ಓಕೆ. ಫೋನ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, she is able to call from there, but that is hardly 2 or 3 minutes. That is a big relief, all right. We at least get to know that she is doing all right. And there also, there is nobody, we talk about so many things, human rights, this right, that right. There is nobody to take care of her in the jail there. She keeps, when she is in pain, when she is suffering from backache, she keeps shouting the whole night, and people are not there to give her medicine. They make a joke out of it. I don't know what kind of system, what kind of rules, regulations are we following.
ಓಕೆ. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ? ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು?
Talking is all right, but it makes me more frustrated because I feel so helpless further. My daughter is in pain and I can't do anything. That is further frustrating for me.
ಓಕೆ. ಯಾ, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಈಗ 60 ಡೇಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಬೇಲ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yeah, next step is applying to the Supreme Court. We will do that. We will definitely do that.
Okay.
I can't sit here with my hands folded. I have to make all efforts to get her out. Because more than anybody else, I have faith in my daughter that she is clean. She has not done anything wrong. So I am there to support her till my last breath.
Okay.
I will be there for her.
ಓಕೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ರಾಕೇಶ್ ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ.